Greetings, geeks. This is Rose with Geek to Me Crafts, where I help you source affordable craft supplies as well as provide free tutorials and DIYs. If this is your first time here, consider joining me by liking this video and subscribing. Also, leave me feedback below. I do respond to everyone. So today I have a Dollar Tree walkthrough for you. So the first things that I picked up were a package of bells, and I'm going to link down below a video where I hauled those. And then I also keep seeing these really cool dice for like game boards or tabletop gaming, so that's pretty cool. So right here, these are the Christmas crafts, and they have some new ones, I think. So some felt cutouts, some raw wood that you can paint, and some other things. So here are the frames. I'm just kind of scanning through here to see if anything pops out to me. I'm not seeing anything in particular. I think the best ones by far are those copper framed ones. They're really pretty. Here are the different shaped mirrors. They have different sizes. How cute would those be in a nursery? Okay, there's lots of ribbon over in the party supply section. I never thought to check over there, but there's all kinds of stuff for babies. I saw these really pretty butterflies on an end cap. And then right here, it's jute twine with some cute clothespins and a couple of suction cups. So they have one skein of yarn, some felt rolls, all kinds of pipe cleaners, clothespins, dowel rods. Those pennant banders, I believe, are new. They're huge. There's some storage devices, squeeze bottles. Look at all of this paint. There is so much acrylic paint here. Yeah, just glitter and all kinds of different colors. This is the place to buy products for projects as well. Really good prices on poster boards and other things. So just kind of scanning through the raw wood items in this aisle. They have all the glues that they've had for the last little bit, chalk markers, metallic markers, foam dots, foam stickers. I always check the automotive aisle as well. They had a chalk marker up there at the top right. They have jute twine, carabiners, pliers, levels, rope, the saw, which I hauled in my last video. I'll put a link at the end of this video to that one. Gloves, drop cloths, paint supplies, paint brushes. Make sure you see my next video too, because I'm going to do the haul that I picked up at this Dollar Tree walkthrough, and I'm so excited about the stuff that I got. I can't handle it. So so right there's the super glue. I use those for a variety of things in my jewelry making. There's duct tape, packing tape. I use those for my shipping. So yeah, always check the automotive aisle. Right here, they do have a collection of bandanas. I believe these are 100% cotton, and in someone else's walkthroughs, I had seen that some of them had like a batik kind of print to them, but this Dollar Tree didn't have those. This is also a good place to get blanks for t-shirt making. They don't have them very organized at this store, but they did have a lot. So just always check around the entire t-shirt to make sure there's no holes or marks in it. And sometimes there's some good stuff in the baby aisle as well. And right here, just cotton balls, Q-tips. These are good crafting supplies as well. Okay, just scanning through the floral department. They do have the mesh ribbons, lots of flowers, and always check here because every store is slightly different. Sometimes they have stones, glass, sand in all different colors. The store has the rope, the wreaths, different kinds of, just all kinds of decor. And then right here, this wreath form, I've never seen the one that's square. And so this thing, I'll show you right here. This thing is 14 inches square. What? for $1. That's nuts. And then look at all of the ribbon that this one had. Comment below. Let me know if I should orient the wreath the way that they have it there on point, or if I should do it square. And then Dollar Tree always has really great storage supplies. So if you're looking for tubs to organize your just your home, or if you have a craft room, or if you have a classroom, you're a teacher, Dollar Tree is always a great place to go for that. And then they also have really great blanks for mugs and plates, chargers, that kind of thing. I use my Cricut Maker on these blanks here. They do not sublimate, so if you are doing infusible ink, they don't work. You have to get in sublimate mugs for that. I always check the Fun Find section. I have gotten a lot of pom-poms from this that I put on top of my crochet hats. They're more than $1 at Joann's or another craft store, so I really like to pick those up here. And then I just take one quick look through the kitchen section as well, because they have really good blanks for kitchen towels, oven mitts, rags, that kind of thing. I'll insert a picture right here of a collection of oven mitts and towels that I have done for different things. So like, for instance, the Kansas City Chiefs went to the Super Bowl last year, so I had a big party and I decorated my house with some towels and things that I had made for that party. So right here are some cotton pods. I picked those up and you'll see them in my next haul. They have shells, floral cutting wire or wire cutters, more ribbon, the cotton yarn. Those are really good for making coasters because they're absorbent. And of course they have glassware in all different shapes for vases. They have tall skinny ones, short chunky ones, and all different shapes and sizes, colors, you name it. The sticker aisle looks pretty organized today. Here are the wood blanks at this store. I like that frame over there with the dogs in it. You could pop that out and have your kids decorate that frame and give it as a gift to your mom, or something like that, especially since kids aren't going to be, making things at school this year and bringing them home. They always have a really good collection of paint brushes. You usually get more than one in a box. They have foam brushes, glitter glue, hot glue, acrylic paint in all colors, hot colors and paint, mini clothespins, containers, and here we go, right here. Two astounding things: the glass vials with the corks and the roller cutter. I finally found it. They also have knitting needles in different colors. I believe they're supposed to be different sizes. Yeah, they're there at the bottom. So that one was a 5mm. I didn't catch the others. I apologize. So let's see, all kinds of different beads, the felt rolls, foam pads. I believe those have different shapes that pop out of them. I have never seen these before. These were really nice. They're a heavyweight, they're thick. It's made out of particle board, but they're painted to look like wood, and then they have the different gold lettering over the top of it. So one of them said smile, one said hello, one said hope. I picked up the one that said love. Different frames here, wax melts, candles. That picture hanging kit right there is always a good deal. I try to keep one of those on hand all the time, especially around this time of year when I switch out my pictures. Sometimes I need to move some things around. Look at all of that glue, Elmer's glue. These book covers right here you can use on your Cricut machine. They are removable vinyl, and you can have your Cricut cut them out just like regular removable vinyl. They have the tacky glue, which I like to use for different crafts, the single hole punch. I thought these markers were pretty cool. I hadn't seen these before. They're double-sided. One side had a thicker side and one side had a thinner side. And then just kind of scanning through some of the rest of these markers and supplies. They always have Sharpies, clay, highlighters. These were neat. They have metallic markers with a bullet tip. And then they had these. I hadn't seen these before. Rescue Bot marker set, mini pins, Crayola crayons in all different colors. Such a great place to get office supplies. Look at these right here. This is an 8 count of pearl crayons. If I had a reason to use these, I would have gotten them, but I did not. So this time I did not grab them, but they're very tempting. So let's see, interesting pins here. Ooh, and these gel pens right here, the ink was swirled in all different colors. I'll have to do a test run of these supplies and make sure that I post it up here. And, oh, I found it. I found them. This is what it came in here for. I am obsessed. These are glass pens or styluses, and they came in 3 colors, blue, green, and pink. Make sure you watch the next video so that you can see my haul of these, but I am so excited that I got these. They're all glass pens. They come with glass container for the ink, and the ink is a very, very good quality. It writes really smooth and shows up nice and dark, so very impressed with that. If you see those, go grab them because they will not last very long. So excited that I found those. Let's see, just kind of scanning through some other things that are useful at Dollar Tree. More containers. It's always a good place to get toothbrushes if you're cleaning up some things for your craft room, or even just cleaning up in your kitchen or whatever. Those metal baskets are super cute right here for putting gift baskets together. And then of course Dollar Tree has the plastic cellophane that goes around those as well. And then I found these over in the checkout aisle. They had the sequins in 3 different colors, and they were sticky. Right here, I'm just inserting some projects that I have created using Dollar Tree supplies. I thought you might like to see some of the things that you can make with those. As always, I thank you for watching, and if you got value out of this, please like, comment, and subscribe.